Carp fishing requires strategy and patience. Carp are cautious bottom feeders with a sharp sense of smell, so using the right bait like boilies or sweet corn is crucial. Fish in shallow waters near vegetation, especially in the morning when they're active. Use a strong rod and reel with a 30-pound test line, and stabilize with a rod pod for bite detection. Chumming can attract carp, but don't overfeed. When they bite, let them tire out. For more challenge, try bow fishing to target carp in shallow waters for added excitement.